As the social intervention phase of the Zones of Special Operations ZOSO gets underway, one agency has made a starting assertion about children, gangs and schools. TVJ's Herman Green has that report.
4 days into the social intervention phase of ZOSO in Mount Salem St. James, and social intervention bodies like the Social Development Commission, SDC, are revealing a startling reality in the area. Children dropping out of primary school and turning to crime.
Residents had indicated that as early as 8-9 years old, you have some of these children drop out, not going to school. The love, the attention is not shown at home, and as a result of that, some of these children, they become attached to gangs. So as early as 8-9 years old, they become attached to the gangs because this is where they feel loved and this is where the attention is being given.
SDC Community Development Officer Dainty Taylor insists that getting primary level dropouts back in school and away from gang recruitment is critical to stemming criminal activities. An education ministry team is also currently in Mount Salem as part of the social intervention phase. Director of Safety and Security in Schools at the Ministry of Education, Coleridge Minto, says while the number of dropouts in Mount Salem is not entirely clear, the ministry is working closely with the ground commanders to identify these students at all levels.
We're here to help in terms of assisting with the data gathering, and once information comes to us through the official channels, then we will, through the region and the regional director, ensure that these persons are placed and reintegrated into the schools. And that's our primary focus at this phase in terms of the social intervention.
And we're working through the CAP program and also with other training agencies hard to put programs in for students who would have left school but of course not have a skill.
The social intervention phase should provide solutions for factors identified as contributors to crime. While school attendance and education have been identified as such, Ms. Taylor also identifies another stakeholder group needed to fix the issues: parents.
Because of poor parenting, there is no value, there's no attitude. As a result of that, there's no importance placed on education, and so persons do not see the importance of going to school. So we have a high level of school dropout, high level of illiteracy. Persons are unemployed because they lack the necessary skills or requirements.
She says some parents are also guilty of sending children out to earn for themselves and their household. She's calling for programs providing guidelines on proper parenting to be urgently implemented. Herman Green, TVJ News.